These are Oakley Juliet frames, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that they're laying down upside down on a solid surface, and then you're going to take this screwdriver and you're going to loosen the screw that is located on the bottom side of the frame. You're only going to want to loosen a little bit. You do not want to loosen it completely. Now, once you've done so, you're going to take the frames, pull them apart a little, and push out the lens. It should come out fairly easily now that you've loosened the screw. Now, to reinsert the lens, you're going to take this side of it and insert it into the grooves on the far side of the frame as well. Once you've done so, make sure that's secure and push in on the other sides. You may hear a pop, that is completely normal. And then all you're going to want to do is tighten up the screw that you loosened. Just like so. And that's it.